Hey everybody, Amp Repair Guy here. So after putting up that other video, I was contacted by someone. They're like, well, you should do a comparison real quick. So I'm busy here working, but figured I would do a quick video. So here we have a ECA transformer. The company's still in business. They're located in California. They go by Magnaspec or something now, or MagSpec, I forget. They produce the transformers for the company over in Northridge, who made the transformers for another guy. I'm sorry, who made the amplifiers for another guy. Not gonna say any names or anything, but so this transformer is rated, has two different secondary taps: 4300 AC, 5300 AC. At an amp and a half CCS, 220, I think it's like 240, 230, 220, 210 or whatever, or maybe it's 250, 240, 230, 220 primary. I forget the exact configuration. So once again, we have the primary shorted, and we're taking reading off the two outer taps. So this is a 1.5 amp. You know, it's not a hypercell, it's old school, I guess you could say. Whatever, not the new technology, but so the secondary resistance is actually 19.09 ohms. Considerable difference. These transformers run rock solid. I have two of them. They're for a personal amp I'm going to make someday. This is the style transformer I used. I had a whole bunch of new old stock ones I was using in boxes. Great transformer, but these cost more money. Obviously they're wound with heavier wire, so that equates to less sag, from no load to any load to full load. So like I said, primary shorted, and taking reading right across the secondary. I don't know if you can really see that or not, but so 19 ohms, 5300 AC. Part number 1359. You can call the company yourself and ask him. The engineer is a nice guy. Older guy, but extremely intelligent, really nice. This is close to like a Peter Dahl, you know. I was personal friends with Peter Dahl. He passed. He was an awesome guy. But once again, I'm not knocking any transformers or anything, but you know, sag is sag. You know, some are made better than others, or they're wound, you know, for a certain regulation or whatever. You know, maybe the other ones just are made to have more sag, more, you know, not as tight of a regulation from no load to any load to full load, partial load, or whatever, you know. But this is a quality transformer, you know, so this is what I like to use, something wound like this. So, but you're going to pay more money. And just stiffer, you know. I don't want the voltage jumping up down in an amplifier, in a communication amplifier. So I won't get into that and why that's important right now. But so thanks for watching, and if anyone has any, if you have any questions or whatever, feel free to go on my website. You can drop me an email or give me a phone call. I'll give you the phone number for this company if you can't find it. And you can ask them yourself about what the ratings are. So, once again, 4200, or so no, 4300 and 5300, and it's at an amp and a half CCS. And I have two I'm going to put in parallel at some point to give me 3 amp CCS. So, thanks for watching. Didn't pull it out because this transformer's really heavy, and I'm not looking to hurt my back right now. So, I don't mean to sound like a wimp, but no need for it. I can test it right here. So thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.